Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change profile picture on Bybit. Whether you are personalizing your financial profile or creating content, it's essential to stay authentic and updated. First of all, open up your Bybit app on your mobile device and log into your account by entering your credentials. Once you're in the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Now, click on your profile icon one more time, and this will take you to this section from where you can choose a default avatar or profile picture provided from Bybit. You can also choose from animal avatar or default, and finally, after making a selection, click on Save at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will be able to upload a profile picture or change your profile picture on Bybit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.